So it is December 12th, which is the big celebration of Guadalupe. And so our hotel has this outside if you would like to pay your respects. It is the evening of December 12th, and for the last 12 days they've been having these parades and things going on in town, and we just caught up to one of the processions that's heading downtown to the Church of Guadalupe. So let me turn it around so you can see what is going on. There's like I said, the whole street, half of the street is filled with people, and I'll show you what we're seeing here. So this is the beginning of one of the processions. So I am standing in front of the Guadalupe Church. So this is where they are marching to, and they're all going inside. So we're going to try to catch the next procession over here. There's tons and tons of people crowding the streets. You can see there's glitter and confetti on the ground from the earlier processions.
You didn't go anywhere I thought you would.
And there's another procession coming. There'll probably be 10 or 15 minutes before they get here. They're taking the sign down for their offering to the church.
tree stuff there.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool. You can say you're a part of this now.
I know. I think it all went down my shirt.
Oh, I had it all over my head.
It's in my hair.
It was all over everybody. It's kind of cool.
That was really cool.